Super simple oat pancake recipe. It's gluten-free, regulates blood sugar, keeps you full longer while giving you slow burning energy throughout the day. Oats are one of the many herbs and foods for the nerves. Oats are gluten-free and are rich in soluble fiber, beta-glucan. Beta-glucan has shown to reduce cholesterol levels, helps in the metabolism of fats, and helps with digestion and constipation. Lowers your glycemic index, stay full longer with a slow burning supply of energy throughout the day. But who wants to eat oatmeal every day? Good news! There are many ways to enjoy the benefits of oats without eating oatmeal. Are you ready to make some oat pancakes? Super simple oat pancakes are all made in a blender. Now I'm starting out with 1 1/4 cups of rolled oats. I'm adding my spices. You could use cinnamon. At this particular time I'm using pumpkin pie spice. I'm going to add 2 eggs. I'm adding 1/2 cup of milk. And then this could be either, you can add either yogurt or sour cream. Now I didn't have yogurt or sour cream, so I just took the milk and added lemon juice to it. Of course, will it be without vanilla flavoring? And my honey and coconut oil. Now this could be melted butter, it could be maple syrup. And I'm just going to blend this really well. Now every once in a while I'll stop and push it down and then blend some more, and I want to keep blending it till there's no sign of oats in there. Okay, now I'm through blending it. Take this out, show you how it looks. Okay. Now I'm going to add some more oats, but I'm not going to blend it again. I'm just going to add those in there. If I wanted to add nuts or any kind of fruit, I would do it at this point. But right now, I'm just going to stir this in and let it set for 10 minutes. Okay, now once my skillet is sizzling hot, you can see that little water bouncing around. That way we know it's sizzling hot. I'm going to add a little bit of butter. Get it melted. Then I'm ready to add my batter. Now I like to use, this is 1/4 cup ladle. Sometimes I'll use a 1/4 cup measuring cup. But I'm just going to let that cook for a little bit. I'm going to be looking for the edges, for it bubbling on the top and the edges turning brown. And sometimes with pancakes you ruin the first one and then have to, the rest of them turn out all right. But I've got my oven set for 200 degrees, and I'm going to put my pancakes as I cook them on this pan, put butter on them, and stick them in the oven and keep them warm while I fix the rest of our breakfast. Oat pancakes are heavier than flour, so they're going to take a little bit longer to cook than what your regular pancakes made with flour. Okay, now I'm ready to flip. Sometimes I have to kind of swing my pan around because it doesn't cook evenly. So I'm ready to take them off, add some butter. Now these are ready to serve with any kind of syrup or no syrup. Now I chose to melt some of my homemade Muscadine Grape Preserves as a topping, and I'll leave you a link to the Muscadine Preserve recipe in the description bar. Now, because these pancakes are made with oats, they are really, really filling. But feel free to add bacon and eggs. I'm going to finish cooking the rest of these pancakes, place them on a cookie sheet lined with wax paper or foil, let them cool, freeze them, and then place them in a Ziploc bag for storage in the freezer. Now, if you're really not up to making pancakes, try my oats and banana muffin recipe. I will leave a link in the description bar. Thank you for joining me today. Now, if you wish to see more of these videos, like and subscribe to our channel. Leave me comments in the comments section. Now, for the last 30 years, all of our income has come off our organic farm here in East Texas. We're 100 miles from Dallas, and our little community of 400 still considers chicken fried steak, mashed potatoes, and gravy a health food. And they just do not understand our lifestyle. They still laugh at what we are doing, especially since our main crop is wheatgrass, which they really have no idea what that is. We need your support by subscribing and liking our channel, and be sure and visit me at familyguidetoherbs.com, your guide to natural homemade remedies. Thank you so much.